Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of Jamaica is not a real place. I know you all have been searching through your social media feeds, looking through your TikTok, and guess what? You start to see some weird stuff. Weird stuff. So, if you're new to Jamaica is not a real place, this is where we count down the top 5 weirdest stuff that we've seen on social media. And when I say weird, I mean weird. You know what? You just have to see it to believe it. So, alright, let's go right into our countdown. And let's begin at number 5. Alright, so you ever hungry yet and you wait for them to share out the food and them just not share out the food and you just feel like you don't jump over the counter and get the food yourself? Well, it appears that this man, the hungry reach him. The hungry reach him in a Popeyes and him say, you know what? And I think it's a Popeyes. It look like a Popeyes to me. And him just jump over there and start help himself, you know, because sometimes them just take too long and you just can't bother. So that's number 5. Number 4. You ever in a dance and the tune lick you and you just feel like some, I don't know what kind of dance me I gonna do to this, you know. And you have your prop and you just say, you know what? Me just use the thing right next to me, you know. I want to show the people them so I can bang. The one you come straight from the groupie wall, what the name? Pink wall, yeah man. The brother here, him feel it, him focus. Him want show them, say listen to me, I do the banger dance. I don't know, I can call it the banger dance. I don't really know it. I don't want to call it the other dance because YouTube I listen. Alright, and that's number 4. Number 3. Alright, guess what? You ever dance with somebody and them just look like them a little bit too into it, them a little bit too aggressive, and the dance just go wrong? Well, that's another one I said. Okay. Number 3. Alright, everybody has said the toll kind of too expensive. So if you already buy a bike, why you go pay for the toll? Well, I know me say so. That the money I do another video here. I don't really can do any still, but it did happen. So yeah, it kind of crazy. So number 2.
Bikers breaking the toll.
And the number 1 video of this trending week is, I'm gonna call that video yeah, NSA a bus in my head. Well, NSA a bus in my head. NSA a bus in a fear head. And this is what happened. Number 1 video is, watch now. Okay, that's it guys, and that's it for our top 5 countdowns of the strangest things that we've seen in Jamaica on social media for this particular episode. Alright, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, recommend stuff, and if you have some real crazy videos, I'm going to be sending you a email soon in the description where you can send your videos into. And pretty much that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and please recommend to a friend or send it on and tell me if you like it, thumbs up and that kind of thing. And stay tuned for the next episode of Jamaica is not a real place. Peace.